Fine, can I introduce yourself?
Good morning, ma'am. My name is 𝐁𝐨𝐤𝐤. I am from Warangal. It is the second largest city in Telangana. Coming to my educational qualification, I have completed my BTech in 𝐁𝐨𝐸𝐤 college. And coming to my work experience, I have 3 years experience in education industry. I have worked as a guest lecturer in Government Polytechnic College for 2 years. That is before COVID. After COVID, I have worked. I am been working as a maths teacher in Nagarjuna High School, where exit curriculum is followed. Uh, as an exit trained teacher, I am confident that I can deliver my lecture where I can improve my students as well. Coming to my strengths are, I am an active listener. I have quiet patience. I have good communication skills. I am self-motivated person. Coming to my hobbies are, I love to interact with the people and help the students to solve the doubt. That's all, ma'am. That's my short introduction.
I told you yesterday also the introduction has to be really short, right? Kanaya, you're using the word coming to my again and again.
Okay.
Introduction has to be really short. Again, watch the video of my introduction. You know,
Okay.
3-4 times you use the word coming to my. It sounds monotonous. Not using the word. Your interview is tomorrow, if I'm not wrong.
27th, ma'am. A day after tomorrow.
Yeah. Fine. You have time. Again, I have to work on the introduction. Now tell me, what do you know about Byju's?
Byju's is founded in 2011. It is an edtech company. The founder of Byju's is Ravindran sir, and it generally focuses on overall development, conceptual learning.
Okay. And some competitors of Byju's?
Competitors of Byju's are Vedantu as well as Unacademy, ma'am.
And some companies that Byju's has acquired?
Companies which have Byju's acquired is Akash Juniors, Upgrad, and Topper. White Hat Junior, recently it has acquired, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me, how do you deal with criticism in your life?
Yeah, criticism is a part of life. If somebody criticizes me, I will try to overcome the thing and move on with the things, ma'am.
Okay. If you get rejected today, what are your backup plans?
Yeah, if I'm rejected today, I will improve myself and again I will apply after 90 days, ma'am. Meanwhile, I will start my YouTube channel where I will be teaching the math classes to the students.
Okay. Now, what is the difference between a teacher and a mentor?
The difference between teacher and the mentor is teacher will deliver the lecture and mentor will create the environment, good environment in the class as well as the outside.
Okay. And how important is education to you?
Education is very important for me as well as everybody. For me, education is if I'm going outside, I should have minimum knowledge and education to talk to somebody and to deal, to crack the deal, etc. Like that, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. So tell me something which you cannot bear.
Yeah, I am being a punctual person. I will meet my deadline before the things. If somebody is not doing the work in time, I can't bear that, man. I'll push them, definitely I'm gonna push them. I'll try to make it up.
And how do you manage your time during the day?
Yeah, early in the morning I wake up, I will have a hot water. I will do some meditation and yoga. I will prepare my notes. I will go to my school. I will deliver my lecture. After lunch, I will have a leisure session where I will do correction of the students. After coming to home. Yes, ma'am.
Kanaya, what is happening? Whatever I told you, I recording, you are speaking the same thing. And running with your speed as well. You had to make some changes or not? जो भी मैंने ऑडियो भेजा वो तो सारा सेम ही रिपीट कर रहे हो भाई. वो ऑडियो मैंने अपने अकॉर्डिंग भेजा. व्हाट आई डू, आई विल सेम कॉपी कर दिया. सच अ गुड कॉपी कैट यू आर. कुछ अपना भी तो ऐड करना था उसमें. यू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी?
या समझ में आता है.
समझ में आता है तो अपना भी ऐड करो. डोंट आई विल मेडिटेट. कर मेडिटेशन किया है?
मैं करता हूँ मगर करता हूँ.
हाँ ऐड करो. ऐड मीन्स अभी देख के साफ लग रहा है कि कहीं से सीख के आए और तब बोल रहे हो आई विल। जब हम कहीं से सीख के आते हैं ना कोई चीज, तो हम फटाफट स्पीड में बोलते हैं। दैट इज आर ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी। खत्म करने के लिए जो जो रट रखा है दिमाग में, फटाफट एक सांस में बोल देते हैं सारा का सारा। समझ रहे हो?
Okay.
तो
Okay.
साफ लग रहा है आई विल क्या क्या दिमाग में लग रहा है, क्या 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 बोलना था, आई विल फटाफट एक सांस में बोल दो। अरे कोई इंसान सोचता भी तो है। इट शुड कम नेचुरल। देखो आपने, आई टोल्ड यू आई विल बी हेल्पिंग यू, कुछ नहीं आ रहा समझ में, मैं हेल्प करूंगी। तो उस टाइम मैं बाहर थी, मुझे मैसेज आया, सो मैंने बाहर, आई वाज आउटसाइड समवेयर वॉकिंग, सो मैंने फिर तुरंत वॉइस मैसेज सेंड करके आपको सेंड करा। आपने उसी को रट लिया, उसमें एज वो एज ए हेल्पिंग हैंड था, उसमें अपने व्यूज डालो। और अभी जो आप बोल रहे हो ना, वो बहुत एक एक चीज मत बताओ। Say after getting up, I have a tight schedule to follow. So I make sure that I follow my schedule. I meet the deadline, the work which I have to complete. So getting up in the morning, practicing meditation for some time, I have breakfast, and I spend 4 to 5 hours at tuition center where I provide tuition to the students. After that, having lunch and taking 2 hours of nap, I complete my household work. And in the evening, again, I provide tuition for 4 hours to the students. Coming back from tuition, I spend my leisure time reading books or going for a walk, right? And since I love to interact with nature, so I usually go for a walk, come back from walk, have my dinner, and go off to sleep. This is how I spend my time. ये बोलना, ये रिकॉर्डिंग में सेंड करूंगी, ये चीज बोलना, ठीक है? अभी क्या बोल रहे हो? आई विल बार बार एक ही चीज ऐड कर रहे हो स्टार्टिंग में, कमिंग टू माई, कमिंग टू माई, कमिंग टू माई। नहीं, करेक्शन करना है। फाइन, यस। नाउ टेल मी द रीजन व्हाई वी शुड हायर।
Because why should I get hired? I have a required skills, experience, and knowledge where I can improve my knowledge and share my knowledge to the students.
Okay. Fine. Now, have you prepared any topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes.
Explain me the topic.
Yeah. Good morning, children. My name is 𝐭𝐸𝐻. Before coming to the topic, let me ask you one question. From your childhood, you have been using different types of shapes like circle, rectangle, triangles, etc. So today's class, I am going to deal with the shape known as rectangle. A rectangle, that too of a right angle triangle. The shape will be like this: a right angle triangle. This one is a right angle where the angle is 90 degrees, and this side is known as hypotenuse. Size is known as hypotenuse. The angles A, B, C. If the unknown angle is known, if we are considering it as theta, let us now discuss about the sine theta. What is sine theta? The angle opposite to the theta, is opposite to the theta is BC divided by hypotenuse is known as sine theta. And now let us discuss about the cos theta. Adjacent side to the theta, that is AB divided by hypotenuse is known as cos theta. Now let us discuss about the tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side to theta, that is BC divided by adjacent side to theta, that is AB, is known as tan theta. And now let us discuss about cosec theta. Cosec theta is nothing but first we have to take hypotenuse divided by opposite side, that is BC, that is a cosec theta. And sec theta is hypotenuse by adjacent side, that is AC divided by BC, that is cosec theta. Cot theta is nothing but adjacent side to theta divided by opposite side to theta, that is AB divided by AC, that is cot theta. Now let us discuss about some of the trigonometric identities, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, and sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1, and cosec square theta minus sec square theta is equals to 1. These are some of the trigonometric identities we are going to use in trigonometry. Let us discuss about some of the triangles, different types of triangles. One of the triangle is right angle triangle. This is known as right angle triangle, and another triangle is known as based on this. This is the one of the equilateral triangle where all the angles are equals to 60 degrees, and next
Fine.
one is
Tell me, what is algebraic expression?
algebraic expression is an expression where a constant will be there, one variable will be there. Sometimes the exponent, sometimes the power will be also there. One of the quadratic algebraic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is known as algebraic equation.
Okay, now tell me difference between ratio and proportion.
Ratio is every fraction. 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 are known as ratios. Proportions means 1 by 2 is equals to 10 by 20 is equals to 5 by 10. If you do the division, you will get the same quantity as 1 by 2. That is known as proportion. If
a plus b plus c is equal to 0, find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube.
Oh, okay. Right now I do. Excuse me. I'll bring my pen. Sorry. The question is a plus b plus c is equals to 0.
Find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube.
Now we have a standard formula, that is a plus b plus c plus whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So if you are taking this as a square plus b square plus c square, so the answer is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc, ma'am.
Okay. Now, how do we find the mean for given number?
For mean of a given number, sum of all intervals divided by number of intervals. If it is 4 values are given, sum of 4 divided by 4 is the mean.
What is a centroid?
Centroid in a given triangle. If we are drawing lines from the center, from the midpoint, the intersection point is known as centroid.
What is orthocenter?
Orthocenter, if in a given triangle, if this is a triangle, if you are drawing from the midpoint, if you are dividing the angle into 2 equal halves, the center point of that is known as orthocenter.
Okay. Now, what is total surface area of hemisphere?
Total surface area of a hemisphere, as we know, the sphere, half of a sphere is known as hemisphere. Total surface of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square.
What is slant height of a cone?
Slight hand of a cone, ma'am. That is if this is a cone, ma'am. If this is a cone, actual height is this, ma'am, but some inclined height will be there for the cone. The inclined height for the cone is known as slant height.
What is a polynomial?
Polynomial. The polynomial is which is having algebraic expression coefficient plus having the power is known as polynomial. One of the example is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0.
Now, what is
sorry, I messed up. Polynomial is something every rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus is known as polygon.
Now, what is
I messed up.
2-degree linear equation?
2-degree linear equation. AX square plus BX plus C is a 2-degree equation where the power is known as a 2-degree equation.
Okay, now what? Now tell me the reason why we should hire you.
Yeah, I have the required skills, experience, knowledge, which will make me an appropriate candidate for this job role.
Okay, there's a 2-year bond in Byju. Are you ready to sign the bond?
Yes, ma'am. I would love to sign the bond, but I have to go to the terms and conditions.
And Kanaya, there's a vast difference in the interview which I conducted yesterday and today's. I mean, you have changed yourself. You have changed the tone of voice, and you have followed the instruction as well, whichever I gave you. I'm really happy with that. And this is the reason why we do the recording, because doing the recording, see, why have you come to join our team? You joined our team because you saw our recording, right, on YouTube.
Yes,
that is why you came.
Yes, ma'am.
Find it helpful. That is why you came. This is the reason why we do the recording. Why? Because somewhere it will be helpful for other candidates as well. You followed my feedback and you really changed. You were at this level, you have come to this level now, You have seriously. Now, I would advise you watch your earlier yesterday or day before yesterday's video and watch today's video. There is a difference in the interview which you are giving today and day before yesterday. Even in the voice, even in the expression, there is a difference, and you will see the difference. How are you feeling yourself? Tell me that.
I was feeling the same, ma'am. But the thing is, yesterday I was not able to express myself. Today I was open up.
But according to me, if you see, just check on the voice. Check on the voice.
Yesterday I was not wearing the headgear and I was little low.
You were extremely low. It was looking as if you're very tired and you're very lazy, and then you are talking. Whereas today, your voice, look at your tone. Compare your yesterday's tone and today's tone. There's a vast difference.
Okay.
I think the viewers will also tell that was there any difference or not watching both the videos.
If you are going to upload this,
if I will not upload it, Kanaya, how would candidate like you join our team? You only say.
But yesterday's was little bit.
See, if I will not upload, if I will not upload yesterday's, so the people will not be able to get to know the change. That
okay,
these helpful, but these helpful are the feedback session. You know what? It's very helpful.
But if I'm selected, it's okay. But if I'm not selected, the people will troll me.
Why are you thinking negative? You will be selected. You have one more day to go. You have to again focus on certain points. 2-3 things again. Coming to my introduction. Again, change introduction. Second, I will. Don't say that. Third, do not repeat answer. You are again and again repeating the same word. Do not repeat that. I will be sending you this recording. Go through the recording. You will get to know that you are repeating the sentence again. Do not repeat. And see, as I told earlier, your concept is clear. You know all the answers. Good way to teach. Teaching also good. You know all the answers. Means whichever topic the HR will ask you, the HR must have emailed you the topics. So whichever topic she'll ask you, you will be able to give answer. But answering general questions is important. Do not repeat. Do not go blank. With a smile, you're not smiling. Smiling is also important. See, now when I told you you're not smiling, you started smiling. So now how it goes. See, can I always tell my candidate, one time you appear for an interview, and it helps you to appear for an interview lifetime. This helpful is the interview session to you. So focus on these points. You have an interview after tomorrow. That's on 27th. If possible, meet me tomorrow. If possible, if you feel relevant. Otherwise, go for an interview. Just focus on certain points. Do not repeat words. Coming to my. And there are certain words which you are repeating. I'm sending you the recording. You will get to know what are you repeating. What mistakes are you making. Do not repeat that. Possible, if you think that no, yaar, let me just check. Let me ask ma'am whether now it's fine or not. Because you want to be 100% accurate. Let's meet tomorrow before your actual interview. Fine. Till then, I'll send you the recording. Any questions in mind, you can ask.
Yeah, the thing is, whenever I get a blank or something, I will use coming to that. I will like that. When I'm getting blank or thoughts are not really flowing.
That is why I'm telling you, you are making use of certain tools. These are your backup tools.
When I am using that, back of the mind, I will frame the sentence. I will pitch like that. So That's
So
why I was coming to that like that, and I'll connect the two sentences which was there in my mind.
tell me, does this happen to you that when you are giving an answer, back end, it will be like, nahi ho payega, nahi ho payega. You'll mess up. You'll do something wrong. You'll do something
No,
wrong.
no,
Like,
no, like that, no, no. When I am following or giving the lectures, it's okay. But when I am talking, the sentence के बीच में जो patch up रहता है, I will use the sentence and I will frame the sentence like that.
in that case, use synonyms. If I talk about coming to next, instead of, use these words, complementary words in place of that.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
You can always use complementary words and do not repeat. Complementary word use करने से क्या होगा? You're not repeating the same word again and again, right? उस पे जरूर focus करना. How do you spend your during the time? How do you spend your time? Do not focus on what I said. I will. Fine. Use complementary words.
Okay. मैडम आप रियली अपलोड कर रहे होगे पूरा
अपलोड पे फोकस मत करो, इंटरव्यू क्रैक करने पे फोकस करो. फाइन. अगर हम कोई मना करेगा हमें अपलोड करने में करना, आप जैसे कैंडिडेट कैसे आ पाओगे?
मैं समझता हूँ मगर मैं पूरा बुद्धू दिखूंगा उस वीडियो में, इसके बारे में सोच रहा हूँ.
एंड वन मोर रिक्वेस्ट दैट इज फ्रॉम, अगर आपको लगता है मैम ने जो मुझे सजेशन दिए वो सही थे, वंस यू आर सिलेक्टेड कनाया, अगेन वी विल गिव यू अ मीटिंग, कम फॉर द मीटिंग. ओके, because many candidates, I really feel bad. I work really hard. You can see my videos. आप सारी videos मेरे देखो, कहीं आपको नहीं लगेगा कि मैम टाइम पास कर रही है. I really work hard and I really feel bad because once the candidate is selected, no, so फिर एक goodwill of gesture होता है कि आके एक बार शेयर करें अपना experience. I'm not asking to appreciate me, but just to share an experience, right? Nobody does that. So that's really that's a little weak point, which I feel. Anyways, focus on the points. Again, you have to focus on the points which I'm telling you. And if you feel it relevant, let's meet tomorrow. If you do not feel relevant, go for the interview. Fine.